Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can get Animate fully fixed and functional on iOS 7, and this is what you gotta do. Go in Cydia, Excel, you'll be greeted with this page. Go to sources, tap edit, add, wait a minute, this repo over here, add the irepo.com and add source, which I'm not gonna do because I already have it. Once done, go in here, and download this. Fully functional for iOS 7 and it works cleanly. Once you downloaded it, leave the app, leave it, and go to settings, and you'll see put logo here. Click it. There you go. Click. And since mine is a iPhone 5s, you can still see the preview. Yes, it's working. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.